house. That's a little more affordable, you know, $1,698. Now let's say you have, let's go with the lowest FHA, 580. Let's just go with a 580 score, just what the hell. Because obviously, you know, with a 500, you could only go to 90%. So let's go to 580. Now, you're talking about, right here, I would stay with a 6.25. This is borrower paid, remember this. So the lower the score, you know, obviously, the higher the rate's gonna be. So yeah, you gotta know your key points right now. On a situation like this, I would try to rescore them and try to get them into a 620, because look, what's the difference between 6.375 and 6.5? It's really not that much of a difference.
Good question.
Try to rescore 580 to 620, and then you got 100% financing.
Good question for you. If you're getting seller's concession on that transaction, do you exceed that 5% threshold?
We allow up to 6% seller concession. So as long as you pass Mavent, which is our, you know, compliance tool, you're fine. You may have to lower it a little bit, that's fine, but we allow up to 6% seller concession on that program.
But even though you're also getting the DPA, is that
you could go 105. Yeah, you could go 105, 106, correct?
Okay. Well, guys, rent right now for a 3-bedroom home, pool home, 1,100 square feet. The rent is $2,650. They had to give me almost $12,000 to move in because their credit wasn't on par. Just to move into a 3-bedroom pool home. So definitely the numbers are there. People could be homeowners instead of renters all day.
Correct. And what I would do if I were you guys, a lot of people don't know this. Know your guidelines. Download your FHA guidelines 40001. Very easy to do. You just go here. I'll show you what I do. Whenever I don't know the answer, that's another thing that you guys will know about me. If I don't know the answer,
training is key to knowing.
You know, if you don't know the answer, you call Edgar. That's it.
Training is key. You know, knowing how to work the programs is key to our success and how we're able to make things happen for our clients. I got 100% financing with a DPA, and it's a grant. It's forgiven at closing, which means that money does not have to be paid back. So if you have buyers that are looking to purchase a home and they don't have the means to come up with the down payment and the closing cost, I have a program for them, and it is forgiven the day of closing, which means that money doesn't have to be paid back, which means that if rates go down in the future, we can do a streamlined refinance, and they will have 3.5% of equity in the home from closing. So call me if you have questions. The number 772-812-0832, and it's all about keeping up with the changes and having the right resources to help you and your clients. Take care.